Hey everyone, consider all joy here, and in today's video I'm going to do some quick speed cleaning for the springtime, making sure that my home is nice and deep clean. And I wanted to try something different using some DIY homemade natural cleaners. I like these empty spray bottles from the Dollar Tree. These are inexpensive and perfect for DIY cleaners. The best thing about these DIY cleaners is that it uses all products that you probably already own in your home. You will also need some very inexpensive essential oils. I got these at Marshall's for 10 bucks. Dust is my major nemesis, and I know it probably is yours too, and this dusting spray is actually pretty good, and I'll let you know why. First, I'm taking a butter knife and I'm wrapping a microfiber cloth from the Dollar Tree to get into the slots of an air vent. I'm also spraying the dusting spray all over my doors, baseboards, shelves, all over where dust normally collects that probably these areas don't get as much of attention. Or it's just an ongoing battle with dust. This dusting spray is so easy to make. It only takes 3 ingredients and it actually works. It's non-toxic and I love that, and it cuts through the dust, dirt, and the grease and the grime. I experienced this firsthand trying to clean the crevices around my baseboards and around my cabinets. I love it. I love the results, and it doesn't leave a sticky finish. If you have little ones and they leave your couch looking like this is a cleaner you want to try. It only takes 2 ingredients and it is non-toxic, all natural. Make sure to test a small area of the furniture you are trying to spot clean just to make sure that the fabric that you are spot cleaning accepts the solution. I did it all over my couch and I love how the results just were amazing. It looks like it took all the stains off. I did the same thing for my curtains. All you want to do is take your spot cleaner and spritz it where there is a stain, and using a microfiber cloth or some type of towel, you want to give it a good rub, and before your very eyes you see the stain disappear. Goodbye coffee spill. Little ones always love to put their nice little hands on windows and pretty much anything around the house that they can reach. So this glass cleaner will make sure to remove the little cute handprints that they like to leave behind. And it's only 3 ingredients to make this glass cleaner, and it leaves the windows looking spotless, just like, if not better than, a store-bought glass cleaner. This is a carpet cleaner I never knew I needed. I am using 2 ingredients and a Dollar Tree salt shaker to sprinkle the ingredients all over my rug, and I did not know I needed this till I used it. It made my rug smell so good, and it actually looked and smelled clean. Ah, the dishwasher, the one where I can't blame the kids. This dishwasher has been disgusting since we have been living in our home. I have tried several store-bought cleaners, but nothing seemed to work. So this was definitely something I wanted to try naturally. So I am spritzing some white vinegar all over the dishwasher. I am sprinkling some baking soda, and then I'm dropping 15 to 20 drops of lemon essential oils. I did use an abrasive sponge on tough spots. I then ran the dishwasher on light setting, and I did use hot air to dry. I also used a natural degreaser spray to finish the job of any spots that were left behind. This next cleaner is an oldie but goodie. It is perfect for springtime deep cleaning, and that is a glass stovetop cleaner. I used vinegar, baking soda, and an abrasive sponge to help me scrub all of the caked on, burned areas of my glass stovetop. Gosh, that felt like a mouthful. So anyways, once I am done removing all of the baking soda and vinegar, I'm going to use a paper towel to just clear that out, and then I'm going to use the natural degreaser. This cleaner is amazing, and it is a natural way to clean and disinfect your kitchen and really any area of your home. Because of the baking soda and the Dawn dish soap, it makes a combination which makes the area look cloudy. You can use the deep shower cleaner or just use the glass cleaner. Either will work fine to go back and clean the surface. And then you want to use a microfiber cloth from the Dollar Tree to polish the stovetop, and that way it looks nice and polished. My oven gets a lot of love. I use this sucker to make most of my dinners, but I unfortunately do not always have the time to clean and scrub it right after it's been used. But today was the day to do just that. So I used some baking soda, some vinegar. You can also use hydrogen peroxide and an abrasive sponge. Set your oven for 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then once that has heated, you can turn it off and start scrubbing while it's still warm. This was completely dark and I was able to scrub it out. Now I'm gonna wipe it with a good paper towel so you can see how much of that was taken off. Oh, this is so cool. This cleaner will definitely work, but it does need a lot of elbow grease, but it's so worth it. I've got degreaser on here, and then I'm gonna just wipe on some sections, like right here. It comes right off. I use the natural degreaser to clean out all of the baking soda and vinegar and clean out all of the burnt scum out of the oven using a paper towel, but it left that cloudy film. So I am going to use the DIY glass cleaner to clean the glass portion, and then I'm going to use the deep shower cleaner to clean the rest of the oven to get rid of the cloudy film. If you've ever cleaned shower tiles and are left with these ugly things left behind, this cleaner is definitely for you. This is a deep shower cleaner. No scrubbing is needed, but I felt that I wanted to do a light scrubbing, and it helps get rid of soap scum, any hard water stains, any grease, any grime, and mold and mildew. And now it's sparkly clean. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspired and motivated you to do some springtime deep cleaning with some good old DIY homemade cleaners that are so affordable to make. And I'll see you again in the next one. Bye-bye.